Hello, hello, my super duper story friends. Are you ready for a brand new adventure today? Oh, I can see those sparkly, excited eyes. You absolutely are. Today, we're going to meet a wonderful little friend named Sally. And guess what's extra special about our story today? It's a brand new one. No one has ever heard it before. It's just for us. We're the very first ones to discover all its secrets. How cool is that? Our brand new story is called Sally and the Sun-Kissed Seeds. Isn't that a beautiful name? Sally finds some truly magical seeds, and she wants to help them grow into the most beautiful plants you've ever seen. We're going to follow her on a journey to find out all about the secret ingredients, like sunshine and water, that make tiny seeds turn into big, strong, happy plants. It's a wonderful lesson about how patience and a little bit of love can make amazing things happen in nature. Are you ready to meet Sally and her sun-kissed seeds and discover all the growing magic? Let's turn the first page and jump right into our brand new adventure. Here we go. This is a tale about Sally's super sunny garden. Let me introduce you to a new tale called Sally's Super Sunny Garden. One sunny morning, Sally received a packet of super seeds from her grandpa. She couldn't wait to plant them in her little garden patch. Sally carefully dug small holes in the soft brown soil. She gently popped each tiny seed inside, covering them with more earth. "Grow big, little seeds," she whispered. Grandpa told Sally, "Plants need water to drink, just like you." So, Sally fetched her favorite green watering can and gave her new seeds a gentle sprinkle. "Drink up," she giggled. The next day, Sally saw her seeds hadn't grown. Grandpa explained, "They also need warm sunshine to help them make food." Sally made sure her plant pot was in the brightest spot. Later, Sally wondered, what else helps them? Grandpa added, "Fresh air is important too, dear. Leaves use sunlight and air to become strong." Sally nodded, learning lots. Sally waited patiently, checking her seeds every day. Then, one morning, she saw a tiny green sprout poking out of the soil. "Hooray!" she cheered, and Pip, the ladybird, joined her happy dance. With lots of water, sunshine, and fresh air, Sally's little sprout grew bigger and bigger. Its green leaves stretched towards the sun, making yummy food for the plant. Soon, Sally had a beautiful tall plant with lovely green leaves. She had nurtured it with such care. It was a magical transformation, all thanks to nature's wonderful helpers. Sally learned that looking after living things takes time and love. Seeing her plant flourish filled her heart with pride. What a super sunny garden adventure it had been! The moral of the story is, with a little bit of patience and a lot of care, amazing things can grow. I hope you enjoyed the story of Sally's Super Sunny Garden. Wasn't that a fun adventure? Remember, we have lots and lots more stories, puzzles, and coloring books waiting for you right here. You can even download this storybook to read along with me next time. See you for our next story. Bye-bye.